Whether you created a clicker mask or applied a makeup, you may want to show more infected parts of the body without just wearing long sleeves. So let's make an infected top that you can throw on and wear anytime. Going to grab some soft foam. Start to cut generic curved shapes to put all over. Coating the foam in latex, and this is going to help smooth the surface. Grabbing white foam clay, making smaller ones for around the neck. If you put these on an upright surface like this, they're going to want to droop, so you do want to check on them and reshape them before they fully dry. You can also do this on a flat surface. Started a little painting with the suit using some brown skin illustrator, airbrushing, and spattering color. The top was a higher cotton blend than I really would have liked, so it was really soaking up all that color. We're just gonna go ahead and get the fungus started. Using Barge to apply the foam and the clay pieces. The nice thing about the foam ones is that they are very flexible, so if you're in a crowded environment or an event, you won't have to worry about them snapping off. For more texture, added some nurnies. If you're not familiar with how to make these handy texture pieces, I do have a tutorial in the description. These are great if you really want to camouflage the shirt. You can do this with really any shirt. I do tend to lean towards the more spandex ones because it gives you more of a tight compression fit. And also with cotton, you may find that it would want to sag when putting too much stuff on it. Just adding nurnies and fungus pieces. This is all dependent on how infected you want your look to be, so go crazy. Now I'm gonna add more color, sticking with the Skin Illustrator Grunge palette. This is dingy browns. If you don't have an airbrush, sponging paint by hand is going to work just as well. Since the material was soaking up the color, eventually it did switch to acrylic paints. I'm really just trying to get those mushrooms to pop. Painted all the fungus a dark mustard yellow, and added some white for more detail. The larger pieces are painted similar to the mask with the orange edges. It's definitely getting candy corn right now. So let's just grunge and dirty that all up with some brown. If you're not really happy with your paint job, do not stress. Once you add the white fuzz, it's really gonna bring it to the next level. For the white fuzz, using Gorilla Glue Spray and rolled cotton, pulling it apart into nice thin layers and trying to break it up so it doesn't just look like a wad of cotton. Gross up the mouth area with mouth effects. This is a blend of black in my mouth, and then I used down brown down the chin and throat. If you want a non-sticky drying blood for your skin and costume, I highly recommend Fleet Street Drying Blood. Once dried, it will not transfer. Your Uber driver will thank you for that. Now, if you're one of those people who go all out for your costume and you're thinking, you know what? Feet would be the chef's kiss to this look. Check out the video where we take slipper-like shoes and turn them into monster feet, and I'll see you there.